Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how to make a simple, easy, fast, but delicious, what this is called a Korean beef and rice. Not authentic, but trust me, you're going to love it because it is delicious. Let me run you through the list of ingredients you'll need for the beef, because rice is just white jasmine rice cooked according to package instructions. Ground beef, I've got ginger, garlic, brown sugar, sesame, hot pepper flakes, and in here I've got soy sauce and a little bit of toasted sesame oil, and you also need some scallions for the top and a little bit of either light olive oil or an avocado oil or vegetable oil, anything that's light in flavor but can stand up to heat, because right now I have it going in a really hot pan because I want it to be really hot when I add the beef in. So I'm going to add the beef, break it up as much as you can with a wooden spoon. Now, really important here with this recipe, what makes it so delicious is that the beef, you have to break it up as much as you can as it's cooking, but it's also really important that it cooks to the point where it almost becomes crunchy, if that makes any sense. So you have to give it some time. So while that's happening, you're going to come in it and break it up as much as you can with your one spoon periodically. While that happens, you're going to just mix together the ingredients for your sauce. So the soy, the oil, and then you gotta get the ginger and the garlic in there along with the brown sugar. You're gonna whisk this all together, and then you're just gonna set it aside until you're ready for it, which is not right now, but it's good that you got it out of the way. Oh, my pepper flakes as well. But it's good that you'll get it out of the way. So I'm just gonna cook my beef, kind of breaking it apart and doing what I have to do to make sure it's evenly distributed in the pan and it gets really crispy and delicious and almost starts to crackle and pop. So keep your eye on it. It could take a good 10 minutes, but it is well worth it. Now that is exactly what you are looking for. I have discarded some of the fat from the pan because I don't want a lot of fat because I don't like it swimming in grease. So I've discarded some of it, but this is now perfect. Perfect time to add the sauce, which is so flavorful, so delicious. And you're gonna let this simmer just for a couple of minutes, and then we will be ready to serve. That looks perfect. I've got some jasmine rice here that I've cooked. You just wanna cook it according to package instructions. It smells incredible in here. You need some sesame seeds, and you definitely need some scallions over the top, just for a little freshness. Put that one in there. Oh, it smells so good. That, my mouth is watering. That sesame seed oil and the ginger together just are a match made in food heaven. Oh my word. That is so good. The sauce is boss. Like, there are just no words for it. The beef is crispy, it's salty, it's just everything you want good food to be. I hate to say it that way, but it's the best way I can describe it. You'll want to make this. It's super fast and easy. Go to laurainthekitchen.com to get the written recipe. I hope that you have enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.